Hello friends, and welcome to the Feather Cottage with Dee. Today I'm participating in Arlynn from Arlynn's Country Corner and Kim from Sweet Daisy Creations Tier Tray Challenge. My tier tray I made, there's a video that I made of that and posted yesterday. This challenge was so much fun and I really got into it. My husband says that I maybe got into it too much, but I've had fun. So I'm going to turn the camera around and show you what I created, and then I'll come back with a few words. This is my fall 3-tier tray. I have decorated it where you can see it from all sides, and I have it on a Lazy Susan. Right now it's currently on my dining room table, but it will not stay here because it would block the view of conversation. This is the top tier. I just put some Dollar Tree picks in there, and I have You Had Me at Pumpkin Spice that I got at Michael's, and then I have some just Dollar Tree little pumpkins inside there. Come down to the second tray, and I have my little couple that says, telling you to give thanks. I have a little bit of brown daisies in here and just some colorful balls. I have my Hello Fall. And then over here I just have some pumpkins and pine cones. And then I have my Autumn is Falling All Around sign that I showed in a video. And I've added in this tray from this side just some Indian corn and a few pumpkins, just something that you might see in the fall. On the bottom tray, I have some more of the balls. I've added a deer antler from Walmart and the little corn here and the little squash, along with this autumn sign, are ones that I thrifted at Goodwill, I believe it was. And there's another little corn. And it just has some more brown daisies and the little balls. And then you come over here on this side, and I have Meet Me at the Pumpkin Patch. And I made just a little bitty pumpkin patch right there. And then you're back around to my autumn. So this is what it looks like all together. I'm going to try to show you it on all sides all together. Okay, there's that side. Let me turn it. There's that side. Here's this, this side. Little signs there. And then this side. To the beginning, I believe. Well, this is my 3-tiered tray, and I really enjoyed making it and sharing it with you all today. If there was something that you liked about it that just stuck out to you, I'd love for you to leave a comment below and let me know what that was. If you enjoyed this type of video and like what I'm creating, I would love for you to become part of our family by subscribing. I want to take this moment to thank Arlynn and Kim for creating this challenge and opening it up to us creators. And please make sure that you check the other creators' videos that are in the playlist. Well, I'm going to tell you goodbye, and I will see you again. You have a blessed week, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.